Jaggery is a natural sweetener that is also a healthier alternative to sugar-filled sweets. It is much more complex than refined sugar and therefore does not increase the sugar level in the blood very quickly. It provides energy slowly over a longer period. Even diabetics can enjoy the jaggery puff rice treats in moderate level, and it is definitely a good option for them to satisfy their sugar cravings. Starting with the recipe, grease the plate with ghee using brush or clean hands. Then dry roast the murmura or puff rice. This will help to maintain the crispiness throughout the process. Remember to keep the flame low and continuously stir it for 3 to 4 minutes or until it is crisp. Take out the puff rice in a bowl and take same heavy bottom kadhai, add 1 teaspoon ghee and then add grated jaggery. Keep the flame low throughout the process. Once the jaggery dissolves and starts bubbling, cook for again 2-3 minutes. Even you can check consistency test. Place a bowl filled with water, drop a jaggery syrup, and if it is forming soft balls, then it is done. Otherwise, again cook for 2-3 minutes. When it is done, add puff rice in a kadhai and switch off the flame immediately and mix well so that puff rice coated well with jaggery. Then pour the mixture on greased plate and flatten it and give some height. While it is warm, give some marks with knife. After 20 minutes, you can check and store in airtight container. You can enjoy this as sweet after every meal. Do let me know in the comment section how this recipe comes out, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel to see more such type of healthy content.